We got our transports. Usually that's how it goes with the riders. We have a motorcycle safety team that rides along with them, ensure safety. The escorts. Yeah. Got to rest their own personal rest stop. And see the nice turnout. This is like the first crew that comes through. Really busy. Some of the kids that's even out volunteering today for a worthy cause. Always good to get them involved in things such as this. This is all about community service, supporting flood cause and for health. Summertime is activity time. These are some of the activities that we get to enjoy. Shaky here, but American Diabetes Association Tour de Cure. Basically what happens is that the individual riders, they get sponsorships or they raise money from donations to sponsor them, and they're able to ride, and the money goes towards the research and Diabetes Association. It's a beautiful day out, sun is shining.